trains to go to. We're really proud to be one of the co-sponsors of the conference. We're from Regent College London. We're a private higher education provider. We punch well above our weight. We grew massively during the pandemic, and we're really committed to a world of digital hybrid education that really widens access and participation for non-traditional students, students from disadvantaged backgrounds, underrepresented groups. And it has been fantastic to be here. Thank you so much to the organisers, to Dr. Datta, CBER, Futures University, and all of the amazing colleagues who have presented. I am overstimulated. We had a talk earlier on about over-tourism and that being potentially a negative thing. I am overstimulated, and I think that's a brilliant thing. It's been a fantastic opportunity as well to have colleagues from Regent College London with us, many of whom I have not met in person. And for me, that is the most important thing. We've learned so much about the power of digital virtual interactions. And I think it's been incredibly positive. But we really need to not throw the baby away with the bathwater and lose the power of the impersonal. And Palto talked about being small, and I'm minded of a quotation for Shakespeare from Shakespeare that really for me sums up why this has been so important. We few, we happy few, we band of brothers and sisters who are all here have been through a social journey over the last 2 days. And I'm very sorry for our colleagues who were unable to be with us due to visa problems. And I know those colleagues who've been able to join us online will have been able to feel part of the conference. But I really feel that we few, we happy few, we band of colleagues will take away something really special from this personal experience. So thank you all, safe journeys home, and until we meet again.